Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving.
Hello and welcome to today's vlog. So we are kicking off this vlog by heading out to dinner. We are going to Lotus of Siam. If you've been to Vegas and you've never been, you're missing out. It's really good Thai food, but like super authentic Thai food. We've been there a bunch of times and I'm pretty sure I've shown it, but it's gonna be my dad's first time tonight, so that's pretty exciting. I think he should like it. It's like a lot of seafood and stuff, so we'll see. Anyway, I just wanted to kind of just insert a little clip here because I was trying to get all of like my birthday rewards, and one of them was a free cookie from Crumble. We haven't gotten Crumble in a little bit. I mean, granted, you know, we get it a lot, but I wanted to get it, so picked up, you know, some of the new flavors. The cornbread was really good, strawberry was really good, peanut butter jelly is a classic. I didn't try the vanilla bean cupcake yet, but the milk chocolate is also, you know, classic. But anyway, so just wanted to stick that little clip in here before I forgot. But yeah, so we're headed out to dinner, so I'll see you at the restaurant. Out to dinner, yeah! Yeah. Perusing the menu. Is it really different?
Yeah, they like tomorrow. Kind of weird sensation.
Okay, we got the garlic prawns, fried rice, sea bass. We're still waiting on some more dishes. Bon appetit, Ailey. Yeah. Fried chicken wonton.
Did they try a little bit?
Oh man, you done rocking? Oh, okay. Just trying to get you. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Bacon? Bacon? You don't even eat bacon. Hello, we are back from dinner, and if you can't tell, Ailey and I are in our matching brown fits. Yeah. So we left dinner. We stopped by Costco real quick because we needed gas, and then just ended up picking up a few things plus my ice cream because I really wanted ice cream. Oh, she has to get JJ. I'm following you, cutie. My parents are already going to bed because my mom's not feeling well. I think she caught the cold from my dad, who caught it from Ailey. So I think it's just like kind of going around. So just us right now. Yeah, so A. That's an A. B. A. C. D. D. What's that? E. E. F. 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 Whoa. G as in go. That's right. G as in go. H. H as in happy. Happy. Ha. Yes. Good sounds. I. J. Uh-oh, JJ. Where are we up to? That's a what? That's blue? You're moving on to colors now. That's a K. K. Uh-oh. Where's 5 and 6? 4. Yay! 3, 2, 1. Good job, Ailey. L M M M M N N N. Oh. That's a P. Q. Yeah, Q. That's an R. S. Oh, U. Did you skip over a letter? H. I. J. That's a K. L. L. M. N. O. P. Q. Q. W. Right. 1. Blue. Green. Orange. R. S. O. U. Uh-oh. Turn it around. Flip it around. Yeah. Oh, you're going to take the U with you? Okay. Go ahead. Where'd you go, Wales? Yeah. So for some reason, we feel like Lotus Siam was not as good tonight. Maybe it's us. Maybe it's them. Who really knows? But that's okay. Oh, hello. Hello, you as an umbrella. Anyway, yes. A, B, C. Wow. No, no, no. Anyway, yeah. So we're gonna call it for right now. Oh no. Yeah. So we're gonna call it, but we'll pick this vlog up back tomorrow. So see you then. Night. Good morning. So yes, it is the next day. Things took a little turn. So unfortunately, my mom was not feeling well. Like when we went out to dinner, she just had a headache. But then I think by the end of dinner, she was like really not feeling well. So she's a little bit sick. I think I mentioned that, but she's like, she said she still has some body aches, so she's still sleeping right now. It's about close to 8. Yeah, it's a little bit past 8. So we kind of have to see how that goes, because I was supposed to have my little like spa day, like spa half day, this afternoon, or spa afternoon, I guess. But we'll see, because it is in the afternoon. Bernard will probably be able to take care of Ailey, and then my dad's still here, so my dad can probably help out with Ailey too. I'm just a little bit worried because I am leaving during Ailey's nap time. So we'll see. We'll see how the day goes because my mom's not even up yet. But I wanted to give a couple updates, just like in general. So let's go downstairs. You guys, look at our onion growth. Look at that. They're all thriving. How exciting. But you know it's not thriving? Our Nespresso. Our Nespresso broke down right before our trip. I thought it was going to work when we came back. It's not. So they are sending a new replacement. Hopefully it's arriving today because we're without coffee at the moment and it's really sad. Okay, hello. So we are in the car. We're going to do a quick coffee run because we don't know what time the machine is getting delivered, the new machine. So, what kind of coffee do we want today? Let's go to 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven. No. 5 minutes. Let go. Coffee has been acquired. Just picked up some 7-Eleven. Let's go home. So coffee is acquired in my new Disneyland Starbucks mug. Oh my god, please ignore my nails. Sorry, I have to erase that. I wasn't gonna get this, but I was like, I should just get it. And I really like it. And it's like a nice pale bluish purple inside. So cute. I'm pretty happy with this. Okay, gonna drink it now. Bye. The new machine has arrived. So, per the customer support, we went with the Evolo, because I kept having too many issues with the Virtuo Next. So hopefully this one will go for the long haul. But for now, let's make coffee because my coffee this morning was too weak. Okay, prepping lunch, little birthday miyeok. Currently in the process of sauteing. Broth is ready, so we're gonna add it together and let that simmer. Okay, almost ready to eat.
This sauce is not professional?
I don't know. I haven't seen it.
Okay, hello. So back in the car. I just got to the spa. I literally just parked and I'm about to run in because I will be right on time for my appointment. But if I didn't mention, this is a birthday gift from Bernard and I'm going to get something called a foot awakening, a massage and a facial. So I'll be in there for a while. Don't know what I'll be able to film or whatever because I don't know, I don't even know what's going to be like, but hopefully it'll be good. Our neighbor / friend does go here, so she said it's really great, so I'm hoping that'll be super relaxing. And as a side note, I was already a little bit stressed because Ailey decided that she was not going to nap. So good luck to my dad, good luck to Bernard, because my hands are tied. I can't do anything. Anyway, let's go inside. Okay, massage is done. On to the next service. Okay, done with the massage. Waiting for the second treatment. But I'm seated outside in this little patio area. So I'm gonna hang out here with all the heat lamps until it's time for the next tech to get me. But my face is looking well massaged. Yeah, so it was good. I'll talk more about it later. But for now, we're just gonna relax and wait. Okay, checking in from the bathroom. I just had my facial, and you can't really see in this lighting, but easily. Can you tell? I mean, I think that's gonna be hard because the camera has the filter thing, but feeling nice and glowy, and just waiting to head to my foot massage. So let's go. Mid foot massage. soaking in all these lotions. But a really nice view. Back home with my baby. Hi, baby. Who didn't nap all day, but still looks okay. You look okay.
No picture? Jennifer, do you need a picture of the pizza?
Huh? Why?
No picture?
No, it's okay. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake that salad. Picked up some pizza for dinner. Woohoo! Woohoo! Initial reaction?
Good?
It's good. Yeah, good.
Good sauce.
Yes, you want some too? Let's eat. Hello, good morning. So it is the next day. It is Friday. Hey! So a little change of plans. Bernard and I were supposed to do like a little dinner date night tonight, but because my mom's sick and I was out like for like the whole afternoon yesterday, we decided to cancel. We might still get charged. Wow. We might still get charged, but hopefully not. Bernard said he has to call when the restaurant opens at 5. So we'll see. Wow. Hi, cutie. And this little girl knocked out at like 7:30, 7:20, and then decided to wake up at 4 a.m. Yeah, you woke up at 4 a.m. Hey! No? Wow. Oh no. You're so cute. And then she took a little snooze for a couple hours. I snoozed with her because, of course, the day that she woke up at 4 a.m., I went to bed at midnight. So that's cool. You want to get out? Can you open the door? Knock, knock, knock. Tuk, tuk, tuk. Say, let me out. So not really sure what that's gonna mean for her schedule today, but it's fine. We're just gonna go with it. We're going with the flow. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on to just kind of finish off this vlog. Wow, good job. She opened the door. She didn't know what to do. Good job, Haley. Way to open the door. Just watch your fingers, all right? You don't want to get hurt. Wow. Watch your toes. Really good. Good job. Watch your feet, baby. Nice. Yeah, I just wanted to come on to end this vlog. And I guess that's gonna be mostly it for like my birthday stuff. You know, that was kind of like, it's more or less the end of the birthday week. We did a lot of celebrating the past week, so we're done. And then, oh, I thought I was going to like say it, but yeah, so like the facial was really good. Of course I had like a pimple right here, but she got that out. She did all the extractions and everything, so really good. Hopefully we'll be able to go back for more facials and more massages. More massages because I have like, why can't I ever remember how to say it? Subscapularis? I don't know. Basically, it's like real tight in there, and she was like, I can't do it right now because if I touch it, you might jump off the table. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, that is going to be it. Thanks for hanging out during my birthday week with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here